Hey everyone! The Hustle Clan got some gems for you today. Let's check out our daily AI startup ideas, or side hustle ideas. Number one, a platform where students can rate and review universities, share their experiences, and ask questions to current students or alumni. Number two, an AI powered fitness app that analyzes individual goals, schedules, and fitness levels to optimize workout routines and provide personalized recommendations for efficient exercise. Number three, a great lead magnet. A startup that provides a customizable spin to win widget that can be embedded directly into websites to offer rewards and discounts to customers in a more elegant and integrated manner. Number four, a platform that connects freelance SaaS developers with entrepreneurs and startups looking to build MVPs and first iterations based on their specific needs and requirements. Number five, a mobile app that provides personalized support and resources for individuals trying to quit nicotine, including tips for managing side effects like tired muscles and tracking progress. Number six, a startup that generates unique and available business names along with domain availability checks. Number seven, a virtual coaching platform where users can submit videos of their workouts or form for feedback from certified fitness trainers and experienced lifters. Number eight, a platform that connects small business owners who are starting YouTube channels with experienced YouTubers who can provide tips, advice, and mentorship on audience targeting, community building, and achieving their goals. Number nine, a platform that provides personalized tax advice and strategies for investors who frequently move money in and out of the stock market to minimize tax liabilities and maximize returns. Number 10, these are great ideas. Wow! Okay. Number 10, a platform for quiet streams where creators do not talk and viewers can enjoy the game and music without interruptions. Number 11, a meal planning and grocery delivery service specifically tailored for families with young children. The service would offer customizable meal plans, easy-to-follow recipes, and convenient grocery delivery options to simplify the dinner planning process for busy parents. Last but not least, number 12, a platform that connects advertisers with popular video game developers to create tailored in-game advertising campaigns, leveraging the unique engagement opportunities offered by the gaming environment. Alrighty, folks, the Hustle Clan will be uploading more tomorrow. So subscribe and jiggle that bell to get the notification. Thanks.